What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 17th. Let's get right to the very first article. Fox Business, will there be a fourth stimulus check? Many lawmakers are pushing for more relief. And as we see right here, it's actually a video of Joe Biden. I'm not allowed to play videos on my channel, but Washington Post, as you can see in the video and right here, while the IRS has sent out another batch, again, the IRS has sent out another batch of economic impact payments. Several lawmakers are pushing for a fourth round of stimulus check. As it states right here, 21 Democratic senators actually wrote a letter to Joe Biden asking him to include reoccurring direct payments to Americans and automatic unemployment insurance extensions to the administration's long-term plan. And as we see literally in quotes, the letter reads, "We urge you to include reoccurring payments and automatic unemployment insurance extensions tied to the economic conditions in your Build Back Better long-term economic plan." If you didn't know, Joe Biden has confirmed 2 additional stimulus packages that will total to be around $4 trillion that should, hypothetically, allegedly be coming out in 2 to 4 weeks, hopefully by the 1st of next month. And as we continue right here, while we are pleased that the American Rescue Plan included a one-time direct payment, we are urging you, President Biden, to include reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. So we're going to go more in this article later. Then we have this article right here. At least one thing is sure. When can you expect $600 California stimulus checks? If you didn't know, California actually approved stimulus payments begin going out this week, aka Monday of next week, for people that are eligible inside the state of California who already filed their tax returns. So if you didn't know, if you actually do live in California, please get in contact with the county, with the state, with California, because you are eligible. If you're eligible, you actually will receive $600 stimulus check, fourth stimulus check package. Again, right here, when will you receive a $600? Basically, guys, everything is supposed to allegedly be going out next week. It could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It could be Thursday, Friday. And then finally, we have the third article right here. American Rescue Plan offers many more benefits than the actual stimulus checks. If you didn't know, Joe Biden is proposing 2 more stimulus check packages that total $4 trillion. And there's a bunch of, benefits that you can actually receive that's not 100%, tied in with a stimulus check. And as you can see right here in bold, there's a bunch of different things. We'll go more in depth later. I want to let you guys know every single day I post daily videos. Every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want a chance to win the free Amazon gift card, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and either just comment the word USA or some kind of, American patriotic emoji, USA, America above all. That's all you have to do. Again, hit that like, be subscribed, comment USA or an American emoji. Now, with that out the way, let's actually pick a winner right now live. And the winner is Bam Green, Shiri Jones. Congratulations, you are the winner. Congratulations, Shiri. Please email me averagetuber@yahoo.com. Send me an email, averagetuber@yahoo.com. One word, no caps. Congratulations, you are the winner. If you guys want a chance to win a free Amazon gift card, I post daily videos, at least one minimum, if not 2 videos a day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment USA or some kind of red, white, and blue American themed emoji. Now let's get back, let's summarize these articles. Basically, Joe Biden is considering, hypothetically approving allegedly a 3rd and 4th stimulus check. He's already went on record. He already knows there's going to be 100% 2 more additional stimulus check packages totaling $4 trillion. But the question is, will he include 2 more, maybe even 1? I'll take 1, 2, or maybe even more than 2 stimulus checks in these 2 stimulus check packages? Can you expect to actually be able to receive more money? And like the second article says right here, many states, I've heard rumors by my source that California is just the start, and hopefully we're going to see more states. But as you see right here, California is the first one that's issuing, and basically $600 fourth stimulus check will be going out to its residents. So again, if you do live in California, definitely reach out to the government, reach out to your county, definitely inquire about receiving a $600 fourth stimulus check. And finally, right here, there's more benefits that actually come with this stimulus plan, Joe Biden's Build Back Better, aka right here, earned income tax credit. Not only that, additional credit to reduce health premium depending on your health insurance, as well as more funds for low income house energy assistance program. If you didn't know, you can call this number right here. I'm not allowed to say it. Not only that, right here, enhanced child and dependent care credit. What does this mean? If your child is the age 13 or below, you can actually receive $300 to $325 for every child you have in your home every single month until the end of the year, until you actually receive $3,600 per child. Right here, more benefits increased in SNAP benefits. So if you're actually receiving SNAP benefits, if you know right here, you can actually expect to receive an extra 15% increase. Right here, funeral expenses. If you know know someone that actually passed away, and due to the pandemic, you could actually claim up to $9,000 per funeral from the government. Unemployment benefits, as many of you guys know, if you actually are unemployed, you receive an extra $300 a week boost than what you're already making on unemployment. Then you also have the Venus Grant Program. Again, you can actually get up to 45% of your gross income, with the $16 billion grant. And then finally, housing assistance. Depending on where you live, you could actually get money off your rent. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, daily videos, daily giveaways. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment USA, enter the giveaway. And finally, I just want to let you know it's not mandatory, it's just the option. If you do want to support me, if you want to continue to support what I'm doing here, daily giveaways, please hit this white join button, become a member. It only costs 99 cents. For less than $1, all the money does go to charity. As a member, if you do hit join for 99 cents, you get a diamond next to your name that changes colors. If you see someone in the comments that has a diamond next to their name, different colors, because they're a member. Not only that, but you also get members only exclusive emojis and members only exclusive content, members only exclusive community tab, such as exclusive posts, pictures, videos, a live stream. Every single video I interact live with my members. It only costs 99 cents. Every single month I pick one member, I give them a free Amazon gift card. And right before we go, I want to let you know I do have a clothing line brand. If you do want to support me, all the money does go to charity. It goes to a good cause. All the shirts are $19.99. All the shirts are 100% cotton. All the shirts are 100% cotton, as you see here. Very good design quality. I have a bunch of cool shirts. So if you do want to support me, guys, please check out a shirt, only $19.99. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great weekend. Peace.